Welcome to 1509 Reesor Court, a gorgeous 4+1 bedroom brick home nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac within East Pickering's high-demand Brockridge neighbourhood. Featuring a double-car garage, an interlocking stone walkway to the front entrance, and a premium-sized pie-shaped backyard, through the front entry door is a naturally bright main level with a chic modern decor, its open concept layout offering exceptional entertaining space. The home also showcasing numerous upgrades top to bottom. The upgraded tiled flooring of the reception area and hallway is laid in a herringbone design and has a complementary accent inlay. This space and the principal entertaining areas are brightened with either upgraded ceiling light fixtures or pot lighting, and dark hardwood flooring brings rich warmth to the living, dining, and family rooms. Exuding an aura of elegance, the living and dining rooms are fully open to each other, the wall cutout further opening them to the kitchen area, while allowing natural light through the kitchen's west-facing window, in addition to light through the east-facing living room windows, to permeate these combined entertaining spaces. With its west-facing exposure, the family room is bathed in warm natural light, its oversized window also allowing for backyard views. Featuring the added warmth of a wood-burning brick fireplace, crown moldings add a finishing touch to this inviting gathering space. Featuring upgraded floor tiles with a dark wood grain style finish evoking traditional warmth, the kitchen boasts a sleek modern design with attention paid to storage, functionality, and aesthetics. Stainless steel appliances include a dishwasher, oven with smooth surface cooktop and range hood, plus a side-by-side fridge freezer placed outside the main kitchen space to alleviate foot traffic. The stainless steel double sink has an upgraded faucet. Light-colored quartz counters and backsplashes are paired with crisp white cabinetry that features a high-gloss veneer and double-stacked lower pull-out drawers. And the wall cutout also has an overhang for added breakfast or entertainment seating. The breakfast area has a sliding door walkout to the pie-shaped backyard. This sun-drenched space having a huge entertaining deck, a storage shed, a stone fire pit, and a mature birch tree at the rear. Off the main hallway is a combined pantry and broom closet. The foyer has access to the garage. And off a short side hall is an oversized double coat closet, a powder room with upgraded tiled flooring, a vanity with a countertop basin, and a tiled backsplash wall, as well as a laundry room with cabinetry and closet storage, a ceramic tiled floor and laundry sink backsplash, a washer, and a side door entry. To the upper level is a dark-stained hardwood staircase, its railing having metal pickets. This level showcasing hardwood flooring throughout, 4 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a linen closet. Illuminating the staircase and upper hall is an elegant light fixture. And the main 4-piece washroom showcases upgraded tiles finishing the floor and shower walls in the bath area, the floor accented with a mosaic tiled border, and its furniture style vanity is complete with a stone counter and a mosaic tiled backsplash. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are spacious, have good-sized windows for ample natural brightness, and feature double closets with opaque paneled sliding doors. The second and fourth bedrooms also having additional space to easily accommodate sitting or study areas. Bathed in the warm natural light of a west-facing exposure, the graciously sized master suite has 2 windows offering backyard views, space for a sitting area, and a walk-in closet, while its ensuite washroom showcases upgraded tiled finishes, an accent pot light, and a vanity with a stone counter and undermount basin. To the fully finished lower level is a floating hardwood staircase, this level showcasing quality laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, a bonus room well suited as a fitness room, home office, or bedroom, a cold room plus a combined furnace and storage room with ceramic flooring, a 2-piece washroom with upgraded tiled flooring and a space-saving vanity, as well as a generously sized recreation area offering plenty of space for a media room, indoor play, or conversation areas, and as an added convenience, a wet bar with a stainless steel sink and tiled floor when entertaining family and friends. Walking distance to Valley Farm Public and Ronald Marion French Public Schools, Major Oaks and Brockridge Community Parks, public transit, and a neighborhood shopping plaza, and minutes from the Smart Center's Pickering Shopping Mall, golf courses, and conservation areas. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.